YAML. Description. Amazon Web Services (AWS) is a suite of cloud computing services that offers a wide range of on-demand computing resources, storage, networking, database, analytics, and more. Prerequisites. Basic understanding of cloud computing concepts. Familiarity with command line interface CLI or web-based console. Use cases. Hosting websites and web applications. Running databases and data analytics. Developing and deploying software applications. Building machine learning and AI solutions. Steps. Create an AWS account. Choose a suitable AWS region. Configure security settings. Launch an EC2 instance. Deploy your application or service. Challenges. Security breaches. Implement strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Use security groups and network access control lists. Encrypt data at rest and in transit. Regularly update security patches and software. Implement a security monitoring and logging system. Employ security best practices and policies. Use AWS security services like AWS WAF, AWS Shield, and Amazon Guard Duty. Cost optimization. Utilize reserved instances and spot instances. Monitor resource usage and optimize instance sizing. Leverage AWS cost optimization tools like AWS Cost Explorer and AWS Budgets. Implement serverless architectures and use AWS Lambda for event-driven workloads. Use AWS free tier services for development and testing. Performance issues. Use AWS optimization tools and services like Amazon CloudFront, AWS Elastic Load Balancing, and Amazon Route 53. Optimize network configuration and data transfer. Implement caching strategies. Utilize content delivery networks (CDNs) for faster content distribution. Analyze performance metrics and identify bottlenecks. Scaling challenges. Leverage AWS auto-scaling features for dynamic scaling of resources. Implement load balancing and failover mechanisms for high availability. Use AWS services like AWS Elastic Beanstalk and AWS Code Deploy for automated deployment and scaling. Design scalable architectures and use distributed systems patterns. Data management and backup. Utilize AWS storage services like Amazon S3, Amazon EBS, and Amazon Glacier. Implement regular data backups and disaster recovery plans. Use AWS backup services like AWS Backup and AWS Data Lifecycle Manager. Implement data encryption and access control mechanisms. Consider using AWS services like Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon Redshift for data management and analytics.